much, Walkmaster. Alrighty, I'm gonna call everybody out in just one moment. Wow, it is a beautiful view out here on the tower. The clouds have gone. We have nothing but a beautiful horizon. You guys look like you're having fun. Alright, I'm gonna take a little look down. Wow, that is a very, very long way down. You guys have conquered it, so I think we can conquer it too. Come on out, Anush. Come on out, Mansoor. Alrighty, come on out, everybody. Come on out, just right up onto the platform.
Can I do both hands? Or
yeah, hold it with both hands as you come on out, and then as it levels out, you can hold it with one hand or none. And I'll just get you to head right there, just in front of that camera for me.
Okay. Can I go baby steps?
Sure, you can go baby steps.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome out, Mansoor. Just meet, welcome, Ramneek, right?
Yeah.
Welcome out, everybody. Welcome out, Roy. Michael, Jonas, welcome. Corey, welcome. Thank you, sir. Right there is good.
Right here's good.
All right, looking good, guys, looking good. Thank you, Walkmaster. Thanks. Alrighty, everybody. So, welcome to the top of the CN Tower. Right now, you have all made it. You are 1,168 feet above the ground. That is 116 stories, or 356 meters. So we have made it up very, very high, but despite that, we're only on the 5th floor. Right now, this platform that we're on is 1.5 meters wide. That's just as wide as a city sidewalk. So if you can walk down there, I know for a fact you can all walk up here. And a little bit more of information I'll point out to you is that these cameras we have, we use them to the Walkmaster will keep an eye on us with those cameras, and also our friends up in the sky pod and our friends in the observation level will watch us as well with those cameras. So if you see a camera, give it a little wave, and we'll let Steven the Walkmaster know we're thinking about him, and we'll wave to our fans upstairs and downstairs. So, how's everybody feeling? Feeling good?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Corey, feeling good? Nice, I like it. Alrighty, everybody. So we're gonna get started with our first activity. We're gonna take a few steps this way. Alrighty, so we're gonna get started now with our first activity. Our first activity is called Toes Over Toronto. And you guys all do seem like a very bright bunch, but I am gonna explain this activity anyway. So basically, Toes Over Toronto, I'm gonna explain it, I'm gonna show you how it works. Corey's gonna go first, and we're gonna work our way down one by one. So just watch as I give it a go. You're gonna get a nice wide stance out here. You're gonna look straight ahead at the lake, and you're just gonna five toes. Make sure you have your balance, and you can yell whatever you like. Do we have any birthdays here today? Any anniversaries? Anything like anniversary? You can yell happy anniversary. Unfortunately, nobody but us can hear you, but it will be on the video. So that's all it is. Just take a step up and take a look at the view, and then you can step right back on in. So I'm gonna get in position, and Corey, want to give it a go?
Yeah, absolutely.
Alrighty, you got it. Looking good. Perfect. Nice. How's that feel?
Pretty good.
Nice. Great job. Great job. Woo! Looking good. Alrighty, Jonas, want to give it a try?
Yeah, good?
Yeah.
Just don't look down. Look straight down.
How's that feel? Nice. Great job. Michael, want to give it a go? As far as you like. How's that feel? Nice. Very good. Roy, want to give it a try? Beautiful. How's that?
Amazing!
Nice. I like the enthusiasm. Alrighty, Ramneek, want to give it a try? As far as you like. Looking good.
Nice.
How's that? Alrighty, Jasmeet, want to give it a try? Nice. Looking good.
Nice.
Great job, guys. Alrighty, Mansoor, want to give it a go?
Yes.
Nice. How's that? Woo! Great job. Anush, want to give it a try?
Oh my god.
You got it.
As far as you like, as far as you're comfortable with.
Maybe if I don't look down.
You don't have to look down.
Woo!
Great job, everybody. Give yourselves a round of applause. Awesome. Alrighty, so our next activity is a fun one. Not that the last one wasn't fun, but this one's pretty exciting. I'm gonna get everybody to take a look at me, and now we're gonna take a look at the tower. And I'm just gonna come around and get some high fives, and I'm going to explain our next activity, which is a lean back.
It's just a tiny step.
Oh, sorry. High five, good job.
Thank you.
So, no problem. So our next activity is a lean back, which Corey has bravely volunteered to go first with after I demonstrate it. So we're going to try it one by one, and then we'll all try it together at the end. So just watch as I demonstrate it here, and then we'll try it one by one after. So to do the lean back, very simple. You're just going to get a nice wide stance here. Keep your feet nice and wide, make sure you have your balance, and you're just gonna sink right down nice and low, just like you're sitting in a swing. We'll try it in a moment. And it's gonna hold your weight totally. This rope's gonna get nice and tight. And then you're just gonna put your feet a little bit in front of you, shuffle back with those heels, just until they get just over the edge like this, and you can kind of put them on a little angle. It's gonna give you a lot of balance. And then it might feel a little bit awkward here, but then you're just gonna bring your shoulders back, and then your knees out nice and straight, and it's gonna feel very comfortable, trust me. So, and then when you're ready to come back in, you can hold on to that rope and just bring your feet and your weight forward and just step right back on in and pull yourself up. So, it's easier when you give it a try. So Corey, you want to give it a try first? I can try it with you.
Yeah, sure.
So yeah, you got it. Sink right down nice and low. Yep. And then just shuffle back with those heels just until they get over the edge. Perfect. That looks maybe a little bit wider there. Perfect. And then just bring those shoulders back and then those knees out nice and straight. Perfect, looking good. High five. Double high five? Yeah. Beautiful, great job, great job. Now you can just stay there and get comfortable. All right, Jonas, want to give it a go?
Yeah.
Nice, so yeah, sink right down nice and low, and then just shuffle back with those heels till they're just over the edge. Perfect, yeah, just the heels there. Yeah, perfect, and then just bring your shoulders back, and then your knees out nice and straight. Just like Corey there. Yeah, there you go, just make sure you got your balance. High five. Great job, great job. Now you can stay there and get comfortable. Michael, want to give it a go?
Try.
Beautiful. Yeah, you got it. Sink right down nice and low. There you go. And then just, just bring your shoulders back behind you and then your knees out nice and straight. Perfect. So make sure you're, there you go. Nice. High five. Double high five. Beautiful. Great job, great job. Alrighty, Roy, how are we feeling? Nice. And I'll just get you to bring your heels back, just like Michael there. Just take a little shuffle back there. Perfect. And then just bring your shoulders back and your knees out nice and straight. Perfect. There you go. And you can kind of straighten your feet a little bit as well. And just let that rope get nice and tight. It's going to do all the work. Awesome. There you go. And you can bring your knees out nice and straight if you like. High five. Looking good. Looking good. Of course, yeah, you can try it later if you like. High five. Supervisor. Alrighty, just meet. Want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Nice. Sink right down nice and low. Beautiful. And then just a little step back. Perfect. You can kind of straighten your feet a little bit. And then just, yeah, perfect. Looking good. Double high five? Yes. Nice. Awesome.
Just
Sure, yep.
no,
problem.
like nothing
no worries.
personal, it's just
no,
like
all good, all good.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, sink right down nice and low. And then just, yeah, shuffle right back, just the heels. Perfect, looking good. And then, yeah, just the shoulder. Neat, awesome, you got it. High five. Oh, sorry, there you go. Nice, great job.
Yay.
Alright, looking good. Yep, so just sink right down nice and low. And then just those heels over the edge. Perfect. And then just bring your shoulders back. Yep, you got it. And then,
Keep going, I can keep
yeah, keep going. And then this is going to stay nice and tight, and you're just going to bring your knees up nice and straight. Just like masseurs. Perfect. Looking good. Looking good. Double thumbs up?
Double thumbs up!
That works, that works.
Not ready to let go yet!
Great job, guys. Nice. I like it, I like it. Looking good. All right, everybody. Oh, sorry.
You know, skydiving, you just fall down and
Skydiving's pretty easy, actually.
Right, compared to this, we should have
Yeah.
done that first!
That's what I would say. Give yourselves a round of applause. Great job. Nice. Great job, everybody. So this is pretty impressive. You guys did awesome. I think this might make a very nice video clip for you to take a look at. But we got that confidence all the way up now. I think we're going to try another activity on the east side of the tower called the lean forward. It's nothing compared to this, don't worry, but it's just as fun. So if you're ready, you can hold onto that rope and just take a step right back on inside. Make sure you're just holding onto that rope, pulling yourself back in, and we'll head on over down for a little walk down to the east side of the tower. Great job, guys, great job. Alrighty, give yourselves a little round of applause. Nice, awesome. All right, Corey, great job. Fearless leader, we'll give you a break now.
All right.
Anush, how are we feeling down there? All right, I'll just get everybody back there, just take a tiny step back. And then Anush, Mansoor, you guys can take a tiny step forward just so you can see me. All right, Anush, you feeling good? Feeling good? You want to lead off our next activity? Our next Good, all right, our next activity is a lean forward. So I'm just gonna demonstrate it, and then do you want to give it a go first after? It's very easy, very easy.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, perfect. And if you don't want to give it a go, that's all right too. So, to do the lean forward, very simple. You're just going to get a nice wide stance here. Right here on this line is where your toes are going to be, right here on the second line. And we'll all try it one by one after, but then we'll try it all together after at the end. So you're just going to push that rope out nice and tight, just like this. And you're just going to lean your collarbone, kind of your shoulder right into that rope. You can take a look out at the horizon. You can give me a Superman. You can flex if you want. You can take a look right down as well. And yeah, just get nice and comfortable. And when you're ready to come back in, hold on to that rope and just pull yourself right back on in. So, feel good?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Nice. Looking good. Looking good.
Is this it? This is the lean forward?
Yeah, that looks good. Are you comfortable? You can let go of the rope.
Yeah, it's comfortable
You
as it
can
can be,
you can
sure.
let go of the rope as well if you like. Nice. There you go. You can take a look down too. Nice. Looking good. Looking good. Mansoor, want to give it a try? Here you go. Yeah, push it out nice and tight. A little bit tighter there in front of you. Right on out. Yeah, there you go. Now you can just lean right into it. Beautiful. Nice. Make sure you take a look down as well. Great job. Great job. Alrighty, just meet. Looking good. Yep, perfect. Just like that. Nice. How does that feel? It's an interesting feeling. Ramneek, want to give it a try?
You got
There you go. Nice. Looking good. And now just, yeah, lean on your ankles kind of. You can lean them right forward, right so your shoulders are on the rope. Great job, great job, great job. Alrighty, Roy, want to give it a go? Looking good. Yeah, you can bring that rope out just to push it right out in front of you. There you go, nice.
Let's go, Roy.
How's that feel?
Great.
Nice. Looking good. Great job, great job. Alrighty, Michael, want to give it a try? Nice. There you go, yeah, perfect. And now, yeah, you can push that rope out nice and tight in front of you. Yeah, awesome. Great job. Great job. Alrighty, Jonas, want to give it a shot? You can go, yeah, you can push that rope out nice and tight for you.
Sorry, Michael. Am I just putting your glasses on?
Spin it without.
No, I need them
Yeah,
back
nice.
on. Press the second point of connection, okay? Put them back on, please. Thank you very much.
Alright, Corey. Right there on that second line there. And I'm just going to get you to lean right into that rope there. Nice. Nice. Looking good. How's that feel?
Amazing.
Nice. Yeah. You take a look right down as well. It's quite the view. Nice.
Hello, Toronto!
Awesome.
Welcome.
I like the energy. I like
Hello.
high five.
Well,
Great
yeah.
job.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Alrighty, great job, guys. Give yourselves a round of applause. Awesome. So now that we got that confidence all the way up, we're gonna head on over to the north side of the tower, and we're gonna take some photos. And yeah, so everybody's feeling good? Everybody's good?
Yeah.
Alrighty, so we're gonna go for a little walk now. Great job, everybody. Alrighty, everybody, I just want to say congratulations on completing a Guinness World Record activity. This is the highest hands-free walk around a building in the whole world. You guys did amazing, and there was an anniversary, right? It's in here. Happy anniversary, you guys. Thank you for spending it out here with us. We really appreciate it. And thank you guys for coming out and joining us. We appreciate it. We love hanging out and talking with you guys. Now, there's one more activity before we go on in. I need either a big thumbs up or a high five as we go on inside, all right? So pull yourselves right back on in. Take a look out at this beautiful view, and we're gonna head right back on inside, all right? Alrighty. Great job, guys. Great job. Big thumbs up. Nice. Big thumbs up.
so much.
Thumbs
You were
everybody.
amazing.
No problem. Thank you. You guys are
That was
awesome.
great. Thank
No
you.
problem. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. Thank you. No, you are amazing. Thank you. Very brave. Thank you,
you, sir.
Roy. I appreciate it. Thank you, Michael.
Thanks.
No problem. Thank you very much, Jonas. Corey, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. That
Awesome.
was great.
Thank
That
you.
was
I'm glad you had fun. Thank you so much for joining me out here on the Edgewalk, everybody. My name is Josh, and we were joined by Katie too. And remember to keep living life on the edge. Happy anniversary, guys.